gmail.com log into Gmail account. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can log into your Gmail account, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now if you want to log into your Gmail account, you can go ahead and then use the Gmail app as well, or you can open your browser and go to gmail.com. The process are typically the same. Now if you've already added your Google account, you'll get automatically logged in, but if you want to add another account, you can tap the profile icon there, tap on add another account option, select your Google option here, and then go ahead and then make sure to enter the email address associated with your Gmail account, and then after that tap the next option to also enter your password. This way you can go ahead and then basically log into Gmail account. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.